In this video, you'll learn how to disable price alerts in Bitget. By following the steps outlined, you will effectively manage your notification settings on this trading platform. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Bitget. Once the site loads, you should see the main interface featuring options for trading and market analysis. Next, locate and click on the markets option, which is typically found in the main navigation menu. This action will direct you to the markets overview page where you can access various trading pairs and market data. After that, find and select the global index option. This will take you to a comprehensive view of the global cryptocurrency market, allowing you to see market trends and price movements. Once you are on the global index page, look for the price alert option and click on it. This selection will lead you to a section where all your current price alerts are listed. You will now see the price alert section displayed. This area contains details of all alerts you have previously set, providing a clear overview of your current notifications. Next, click on the spot option to view alerts specific to spot trading. This selection is essential for managing alerts relevant to immediate trading actions. After selecting spot, click on the all option to see all alerts associated with your account. This action will give you access to every alert you have configured. Now locate and click on alert monitoring. This section allows you to review and modify your alert settings in one place, ensuring you can manage your notifications effectively. Finally, find the toggle switch that allows you to disable the alerts. Click on this toggle to turn off the price alerts you no longer wish to receive. You should see a confirmation or visual indication that the alerts have been disabled successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.